Hey, it's Ryan from Modula Racks here again. We are going to do a trailer hitch install on a 2014 Acura MDX, Curt Part Number 13146. This hitch is a pretty easy one because this vehicle comes with factory weld nuts in the frame, 1, 2, 3 of them on either side. You can see they're a little bit rusty, not to be too surprised on a 2014 model. This thing is actually pretty darn clean underneath. So we're gonna get a little bit of lube in there, probably a little brush, a little airline, clean those up, make sure our threads go in there nicely. And it's gonna be a matter of just lifting the hitch in position and tightening it up. The hitch comes with the bolts necessary, and if for some reason these don't thread nicely, once we've cleaned them up, we may have to run a tap up them just to clean up the threads. All right, so that's it for the installation of this Class 3 2-inch hitch receiver on a 2014 Acura MDX. You can see we use the provided hardware. We did have some issues with the rearmost bolt here. This guy was quite corroded and full of grime. Took us 2-3 shots of cleaning it up with really good penetrating oil and trying to thread the bolt in and out. It was just to the point where we were going to need to tap it, but we were able to get it in nice and snug and securely, and it was exactly the same on the other side here. The front two went in just fine. This rear one, definitely you can see the leftover oil we've got there. This one was really tough. Otherwise, fairly reasonable install. Shouldn't take too long if you want to do this at home yourself. And that's it. Any questions, let us know.